Hi, welcome to
Cheekyricho
cooking.
Alright, the first thing that we're going to do is add our flour and our baking powder to our bowl. Just put it in with our caster sugar and mix it all around gently. I'm going to move your chair over a bit, okay? Mixing. Good job. Right, now you're going to gently
Add your eggs.
No, you're going to mix them up a little bit first with your whisk. Mix them up a bit first with your whisk, please. Break the yolks. There you go. Just gently. That's it. We make a well in the centre. See the well in the centre? Here, you make a well in the centre because you're going to add your wet ingredients now. Alrighty. Okay, in with your eggs.
In with your eggs.
In with your melted butter.
In with your melted butter.
It's not hot.
Warm. I mix it.
Not yet. In with your sour cream.
In with your sour cream.
Right.
Right,
Just makes a bit of a mess, doesn't it? And we mix it very gently together because we don't want it to get tough. So mix it all around. Hold your spoon like this, like Nanny showed you, like that, and you'll have more control. Over the top. There. More control. Better?
That's definitely not. I don't have really more control this way.
You don't think so?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I hold it the way I do?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, that's not getting on the bottom.
Okay.
Why is it getting the bottom? It's not working at the bottom.
Well, you got to keep turning it over. Here, I'll have a little. Do you want me to have a little go for a minute?
Right. Okay, that's fine.
Right. So we just tip our cinnamon into our caster sugar and give it a shake around, and we'll be dusting our donuts with this yummy
Yum.
cinnamon dust.
I love cinnamon.
Brush the inside of the pie maker with melted butter.
And now we brush the inside with the melted butter.
A cold pie maker
Cold pie maker.
with melted butter.
The melted butter. I already said melted. I'm gonna try it. Well, yes, Nanny, my grown-up, was helping me today, and I'm doing the talking today. Make sure it don't drip. And that's the helping.
Tops, you forgot the tops.
Top. No, apparently that's gotta drip. It's easy to do the top ones.
Alright, put that to one side. Okay, now we get a scoop of that.
Scoop of that.
Yep,
And
and put it in each pie maker.
the pie maker.
Okay, alright, and again.
This is not how you make donuts. You're supposed to make them in round.
Alright, these are different, okay, because they've got something in the round. Alrighty?
Wow, that's really big.
Okay.
And let me.
Wait on, because we're gonna put the chocolate inside it now. Now we put a teaspoon of chocolate on top of each one. Let me make a little dent in each one. It'll make it a bit easier.
Now we make a little spot for the chocolate.
Nutella.
I keep saying it's chocolate because it's so good and it's brown and it's melted.
Right. Put a spoon in each one, and you can scrape it off with this teaspoon. Okay. Scrape it off with a teaspoon. Right in the middle. Radio. We're going to try and get it more in the middle, Bubby. In the middle. Right in the middle. Because if it gets too close to the edge, it gets out. Doesn't it?
Is that better?
That's much better.
Now, if it had gone out so like that,
But there's not much we can do about it.
Not really much. It'll go out. Because you don't want that to happen. Because, yeah. Or as you hold, you'll get chocolate on your fingers. Wow, I don't like it. So gloopy.
Well, that's just the way it is, babe.
Can I like this?
No, not yet. We're not finished. We're still cooking, aren't we?
Oh, who's the boss then?
Who's the... You're not going to believe this, but I am. I just don't feel like it at the moment. Okay, now what we got to do, if this is too full, it won't cook properly. So we can't put too much in it, but we do need to try and cover the Nutella.
Oh, can I lick this?
No, you can't, because it's food. We're still cooking with it, aren't we? You can, however,
I
close the
look
lid.
down when it closed the lid. Can I have a look
It's
again?
on now. Leave it now. You must move away now because it is too hot. Too
I'll
hot.
just lick one spoon.
No, you can't because I'm using them.
We gotta turn them over after 8 minutes. Wow, donuts.
Yeah, they're pretty full.
Very gentle.
Yes, we've got to be gentle, and that's why you're not doing it because they're very hot. And I don't want you to burn your little hands.
And we don't want to break it.
We don't want to break it.
Nearly burst it.
Nearly burst it. It's in the right spot. I'm not using the right tool for this.
This is good. This full.
That too?
Yeah, but it has this on it, so.
It does have stuff on it, doesn't it?
Okay, you just break it.
Somebody made them a bit full. Okay, it's alright. Look it out. Oh, you see the Nutella trying to get out of that one. Get back, Nutella, get back. Okay. Give them another couple of minutes. They're really full. Okay, after 3 minutes, they're ready to come out. They would be if they weren't so big. We're going to just brush the inside of the pie maker with a little bit more of the melted butter and put the remainders in. Now this is a hot pie maker, so I won't be doing that with little mouse at this stage. Alright, now you're going to brush those with butter and gently, and you're going to put them in there, okay?
Okay.
Butter? All over.
Butter.
All over. You're going to really put the butter in because otherwise the cinnamon won't stick to it. It's going to turn it over then. Some on the other side. There you go.
And we have to squeeze it to hold it. Oops.
Okay.
My bad. I can't handle it.
Alright. Now pick it up carefully and just pop it. Don't drop it. Just put it in there. Good girl. Keep going with the rest. That's right. You don't have to do anything. I need them buttered.
Oh, some crust fell off. Okay, a piece of cake fell off.
That's alright. You ready? We've done both sides? Yep.
And that is a donut. This for yours.
Mm-hmm.
But say one for Mum.
Sure. Let's get one of the cooler ones, shall we? You excited?
Well, that's the cool one. Do my one. That's the coolest one.
Oh, look.
Oh my god, let me look at that.
You made that.
I made.
They're nice and soft. There's lots of Nutella in there.
And that's how it tastes like.
Pretty good, huh?
Caramel.
Doesn't taste like caramel. Thanks for watching.